They're all in line. They're off. A good start by Sun Story. Sun Story to the early lead with Sewanee Sun moving up alongside, and Candyman Can joins them. These three out to the front together. Just Lucky came out running in fourth behind the leaders, and then comes Plant City Robert, Actium, and Culinito on the inside. They're being followed by Wall Street Kitten, who's running in behind horses with JC Manba there to the outside. After that, it's Sky Cruise along the rail. Expected Meeting is next, and then comes Paddington Express, and the trailer is Colonel Jordan. 24 flat the opening quarter mile, and they're on to the back stretch with Sun Story leading the way by 2. And Sewanee Sun is running in second by another 2.5 lengths. Candyman Can follows third at the rail. On the outside is Plant City Robert in fourth. After that comes Just Lucky, fifth on the inside. Actium is right alongside. And then it's Wall Street Kitten and JC Manba on the far outside. Culinito is after that. Then comes Paddington Express, Sky Cruise. On the far outside, Expected Meeting gaining a bit of ground, and still far behind's Colonel Jordan. 49 and 1 was the half mile, and now the field races for the far turn. Sun Story by a length and a half. Sewanee Sun running in second. Candyman Can to the inside in third. Plant City Robert fourth. Now Ramsey Zimmerman says, gotta go to JC Manba, and they're quickly rushing up on the far outside. And JC Manba has circled up on the outside of the leaders and takes over at the top of the stretch. And Sewanee Sun is back into second on the inside. Plant City Robert is third. Culinito is next. Candyman Can to the inside. And then comes Expected Meeting past the final 16th. JC Manba on the outside. Culinito. Here's the finish. JC Manba won it over Culinito. And then it was Candyman Can and Plant City Robert. Race 8 offers daily double exacta, trifecta, superfecta, and bet3 wagering with no changes. In the 9th race, scratch numbers 11, 12, and 13. And in race 10, scratch 4, all keyed up. The jockey for number 5, Contrip, is Rafael Hernandez. Reminder, the ownership line in this 8th race on number 5, General A-Rod,